Hey, good morning, friends. So a few days ago, I posted regarding a DM that came to my account indicating that I would. So the way you go is you go into settings, you go into your account, then you go into account status, and here you'll see find out if posts something that shouldn't be on Instagram. Here it will tell you if you had any violations, if you posted anything against Instagram's, community guidelines. So make sure that you avoid on clicking those DMs that are sent to you because it can potentially open up that can of worms, affecting your account, having your accounts closed, because I was this close of opening it up until I did my research online. And it turns out that it was a scam. And what they do is, it looks just like an Instagram DM. But if you look at the hyperlink, never click on the hyperlinks. Do your research online, type it in, and see what pops up. And what they were asking for is access to my account. So make sure that you go through these steps and make sure that you are not violating any of Instagram's community guidelines. Make sure that you share, like, and comment if this helped you. Verify to make sure that you don't have any dings on your account. Let's continue to boss up and rise.